All right, today is July 11th, 2012, Wednesday, and this is the QQQ Daily Technical Recap brought to you by Global Edge Trading. Trade at 20 to 1 leverage. That's right, 20 to 1 leverage. Trade equities daily. Just call 877, toll free 877-91-TRADE, extension 2. That's 877-91-TRADE. And extension 2. All right, let's get right to it here. The QQQs have been pulling back of late, and no surprise as to why. Today, though, we hit a key technical area on the RSI for the daily as the Qs dropped below the 50 RSI as they dropped down to 47.82. You can see it here. So the Qs are setting up now inside the bottom, towards the bottom of the channel to test the channel that goes all the way back to last August 8th where we hit 49.49, and right now they look as if they're going to set up, as we have it circled here, to test the bottom of the Bollinger Band and the pullback. You can see the recent range from the 59.90 at the beginning of June and to May sent the Qs up to 65.25. You can make a case that the 68.39 would be the head, the 65.25 right here would be the left shoulder, and the right shoulder over here at 65.25. Now, if that is the case, you can take the range of 68.39, which is the top of the head. You can take that range and you can do the subtraction down to where the shoulder would be, or rather the neckline, and believe it or not, that neckline is at 38.12 of the recent retrace. So we could essentially take the 68.39 and we could subtract that down to 63.21, gives us a difference of 518. We could take 518 off that 63.21, as you can see it here. The 63.21 would then drop us down to 58.03, and you can see right here that would test that 400-day moving average and also still give us an uptrend line of the 52.51. Now, I'm not going to say that we're going to go there yet, but things could really fall apart fast if the bottom of the Bollinger Band isn't held. The other thing that I don't like about this at all is if we take the RSI and the crossing trend of the top that we saw back in February, you can see where everything was overbought, and draw the line down and then cross it with the trend of the oversold area. So we cross the top trend of the overbought, extremely overbought rather, and extremely oversold. We get a level right here. That is where the RSI would go if we were to hold this 61.57 area. If not, I don't expect 59.90 to hold, because once you lose the golden retrace of a range, which would be that 61.95, you should take it all out, and 58.22 rather would be the fall, 58.03. So we won't talk about that as of yet because we're trading this on a daily basis, but we will look very precariously to see this range go down. I do not think that we're going to see the 50-day moving average, now that we've closed under it on the Qs of 63.13 being taken back out. I think we're going to see the range today of the 63.46 extended to the downside, and that sets up 61.57. Now, whether that holds or not is yet to be seen, but that's where I see it in the bottom of the channel. So that's how it sets up for July 11th, Wednesday, 2012. Again, use the trading system that I use, 877-91-TRADE, extension 2, Global Edge Trading, 20 to 1 daily margin. That means an account with $3,000 opened up gets you to $60,000 in trading. So give us a call, give them a call at 877-91-TRADE, extension 2. This has been your QQQ Daily Technical Recap. More to come.